That's how it looks underneath the freaking trees. How about that? Okay, time for that active track test. Now guys, I do not have DJI Air Refresh. I recommend everybody to buy DJI Air Refresh before doing this. But I had to test it out because the other active track was not that good. Let's see what this DJI Mavic 2 Zoom got. Let's do it. Going underneath the trees. That's how it looks underneath the freaking trees. How about that? Mavic 2 Zoom just showed that it's great in active tracking underneath the freaking trees, blowing wind. What's up? Holy crap! Look at that. Just take a look at that. Active track on this guy is crazy. Underneath the trees right now. Still good. Watch how it's tracking me all the time. Watch it. Guys, just when you thought you watched everything, watch this test right now. We're going to pull off our Mavic 2 Zooms, go underneath this very, very low tree filled with branches that like literally there is no inch of space out here. That's super low, and we are going to see how the Mavic 2 Zoom performs on this very, very skillful test. Let's do it. Bro, that's too extreme. Whoa, it can actually track like that?
There you go.
That's a test I'm talking about. We watched that active track went underneath the dang trees and came out without me even touching the controller. First flight experience. I've never owned a drone so freaking crazy that it could follow me all the time. I got nothing to say, guys. I think action speaks more than words. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my small channel, just because it's going to get famous one day and then you will regret that you didn't subscribe. So subscribe right now. Thank you.